Hello! Before we get started today, I want to give a quick warning. This video features music and sounds that are made to simulate funeral music, so it might be uncomfortable for some listeners. I'd love for you to listen and enjoy the story, but if you do get scared easily, you might want to skip this one. For my brave listeners, I recommend grabbing some headphones. The headphones are not just so you could get the best audio experience, but for my younger listeners, it's so we can avoid freaking out your parents. I don't want to get yelled at, and I don't want you to get into trouble. Also, this is a work of fiction. None of the people or events are real. Everything is only for storytelling. With that said, turn up your volume if you dare, and happy Halloween. My favorite person to hang out with is my cousin Ching. One night, my parents and I went over to their house just to Duaja. Ching and I played video games upstairs in his room the whole time. My mom came up sometime later and knocked on the door, telling me to get ready because we were going home. Standing in front of the door, I was ready to leave like how my parents wanted. But they themselves were not ready. Each time it seemed like they were going to end the conversation with Ching's parents so we could leave, another conversation would spark up. They enjoyed each other's company as much as Ching and I did. I couldn't understand why they just didn't plan one big sleepover with the two families.
Psst. Come back up here.
Calling from the top of the stairs was my cousin Ching, his hand signaling for me to go back up. We both knew it was going to be a while before they're really done talking. Not even bothering to bend down, I pressed my left foot against the heel of my right shoe and slipped it off. Then I did the same with the other side. Quietly, I snuck back upstairs into Ching's room. We knew my mom would show up at any moment to tell me it was time to go home again. To save us from the heartbreak of getting disrupted mid-game when things are fun, we chose to surf the internet instead. Both Ching and I are intrigued by stuff like the Slender Man and Skinwalker Ranch. We dug through some obscure forums as well as creepy archives.
Hey, Du. Look at this.
What is that? Unknown ritual found in abandoned Hmong village? What? Sounds fake as heck.
I know, right? It's been uploaded for 5 years, but there's only 10 views. Let me see what it's even about. Here it says, join us as we uncover scary stories and explore haunted places around the world.
Oh, one of the crew members, Hmong. That makes a lot of sense.
Go Sashai.
Shakya. 6'7".
Why do you keep saying dumb stuff like that? What does it mean?
I don't know, it don't matter. Just click on it.
What's up, everybody? It's Mike. Join me and my crew as we take you to the creepiest places in the world. We are heading to Laos, a land 8,000 miles away. Fun fact, our camera guy Ting is Hmong. His people are among one of the biggest ethnic groups that live in Laos. We will be heavily relying on Ting to take us around and explore what scary stories and places his people have in store for us.
Okay, Mike, camera's rolling.
Hey guys. You have Mike here. Ting is behind the camera.
Hello.
And then we got John over there with the audio equipment. Say hi, John.
What's up, what's up?
My goodness, the elevation. Let me catch my breath first.
Come on, Mike, you got this.
Okay. We are currently on our way to one of the most remote villages in Laos. This place was recommended to us by none other than Ting's dad.
Yeah, my dad thought it would be a perfect place to explore.
So Ting, what do you know about this village?
So this village is where my dad was born.
People still live in this village, correct?
Yeah, just a few families though. At least that's what my dad thinks. It used to be a big village, but people slowly started moving out in the 70s, including my dad.
So what exactly makes this place creepy? And why are we here?
We are going there to follow up on an old story. One that took place while my dad still lived in the village. The story goes, there was this young lady who had a boyfriend that lived villages away. Since it was a long-distance type of relationship, he would only come on occasional nights. Whenever he came, he would stand outside of her family's house, by her bedroom. There, they would talk through the wall.
Why were they talking through the wall?
Oh, great question there, Mike. That's how they dated back then.
Dating through a wall? Well, tell me more.
Okay, when a guy lets a girl, or even if he just wanted to talk for fun, he would go to the girl's wall at nighttime and ask to talk with her. If she's interested, she would engage in conversation. And if she wasn't, she'll just go to sleep and not respond.
Wow, that is way more brutal than being love swiped on Tinder.
Well, I'll tell you what, Mike. The girl in this story, she pretty much swiped right and got her heart broken. She gave all her heart to her so-called boyfriend. Every night, she'd wait by the wall hoping that he would show up. Her boyfriend promised one night that he was going to come back and marry her. He went home and never came back. Several months went by, and she finally got wind that he went back home and married someone from his village. The locals would giggle and whisper behind her back, making fun of how she got tricked by a guy. One morning, her parents found her bedroom empty. She just disappeared into thin air. Some thought that maybe she went somewhere and took her life, but the majority believed that she was taken by a ghost. Leading up to the disappearance, many said that they would hear her sing gutie in the forest, asking for something to take her away. Gutie is a traditional Hmong song. You can sing it when you're happy, but you can also sing it when you're sad. There's sort of this unspoken rule. What she did with the gutie in the forest, that should have been a no-no.
Why is that?
They say there's something always listening, waiting for the opportunity. When you sing with a heart full of sorrow asking to be taken away like that, someone or something most definitely will.
Huh, that's interesting. How would they ever prove that?
I mean, a body was never found. All the shamans that looked into it, they said she was no longer alive. Traditionally, Hmong people place a lot of value in the spiritual world, and that comes with a lot of superstitions. After her tragic disappearance, no one in the village talked about her, nor did they want to bring her up.
What was the superstition surrounding her?
Notice how I never spoke of her name? A vengeful spirit is one that you should fear the most. When my dad still lived in the village, a handful of people went missing. At first, it was only those that spoke ill of her. But eventually, all it took was saying her name and she'd come to take you.
Hey, you two, look ahead.
Whoa, Ting. Is this the place? Is this the village?
That sure is the village.
Look at the mist curling over the hilltops. Are you capturing this on camera?
Yeah, I got it.
Even if we don't find ghosts here, this view is already creepy enough.
Do you think we have time to watch the next one?
Yeah, they're still talking downstairs. We have time. Click on the next one.
We made it to the village, and it's way more remote than what I imagined. As you can see there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses.
Nhớ rong nè tải.
nhớ sao mà.
Ting, could we talk to her?
Maybe. Let me find out.
Này là tôi xí lại này tôi ở trên nè.
Nè tải, we want to take little video of Darning about,
nè tô, có hai anh chị của chị bao ha.
let's see, cú sa bao lu Darning Buddha.
Dông lơ.
Chưa.
Có lo thế, tụi mày tú nó hay đi kìa. Sẽ có nó của tớ.
Tao mà tôi.
Ting, what's going on?
She's not really understanding me, so she's calling for backup.
Well, what did you say to her?
I told her that we wanted to film and to learn about the ghost stories in this village.
Okay, great. We can cut the camera while we wait.
Đang dùng hạt chặt rồi. Mày tôi là.
Oh,
Mày tôi mua hai lửa chia.
cú sa take lu video of Buddha no. Thế cú sa hai lu đó có thế tụ 半年的thế whatever. Cause thôn đến đây cú chỉ live no.
Nè. Có yếu mà cái lúc thầy bé nó bị à? Thầy bé hai lửa.
Oh, yeah.
Cái chi thầy mà. Thầy tôi cứ
Okay. Hey, Mike, can you take the camera? I need to call my dad.
Why?
I need my dad's help talking with them.
Ting, I thought you got the whole thing down. You sounded so knowledgeable earlier.
I was only saying what my dad told me. Let's get my dad to help with the basics, and then I'll just try to figure out the rest by myself. Oh, and while my dad's on the phone, can you now bring up like the stuff about...
Hello.
Oh, hi, Dad. Hey, Dad, I need you to do some translation for me.
Cái cọc của translator có. Ê, chẳng nó căn tu gì có trong tu tỉnh nó bé tu bù nè.
You made it to your old village, but the people here don't really understand me, and I don't really understand them either.
Nếu có của bác sẽ lưu tôn nữ khác này cái này phong dê mày cả nè ha.
Hi, Mom. We'll make it quick, Dad. I just need you to be on the phone and fill in the language gap. They're saying more than I can keep up with.
Okay, sure.
Alright, the first woman we met was too shy to be on camera, which is totally fine. Because we have Blia here. Blia, right?
Hello, con ông bé hồ đi chẳng nè.
là hô cổ tay yam bia nó mà. Cái sự của nó bị hô bia chỉ nó.
His name is Blia, not Blia. Blia is a name for only girls. His full name is Bliachi.
What made you choose to remain in this village?
Vậy thì nên tức hiểu lối rõ nào ta lỡ, có họ chỉ, có họ nhớ tới gì.
Là bóng trâu thay cho nó cái yên kỳ ít thứ nhỏ nó là một sa. Cô này thế cô chỉ về cái tổ ra cái nó cứ hậu cái yên như đại tây thế này. Thì giờ thì mình chỉ tây chơi theo ta lo đại tây nhỏ nó thì bây kỳ nó là một lý thế à.
Thank you so much for translating, Mr. Tao. It was really nice to learn about him and his life in this village. Are you able to ask him about the young lady that disappeared in this village back then? We are here because we're interested in learning more about this story. We want to know if it's still a taboo to talk about her. How do they feel about it, even though it's been almost 6 or 7 decades?
Mike, stop.
What? Did I say something wrong?
Shh.
No, I'm not gonna translate that. Then, nên chơi mua. Đó có nhìn chia có của yếu fly nhau hồng tu có yo. Có tiền nên một travel sao nào đây? Nên một offer nào biết?
It's for a project.
Đây có chỉ trong một xin à ha. Cô tu hành trình đó có lúc ban chơi hệ đây có bài lưu village đây một sai sư có tham mô hay cho họ con này.
But Dad, I like this stuff.
No, cô chỉ cái kệ. Cô mua to choice đó này nè. Choice E then return to the city. Choice O then Nikki the lottery that she knows na. She ne yo chup phatu o.
Trả lời này tôi mua hai lửa chi tiết mà. Này tôi linh nào tôi học cô chế mà cô xã chỉ tả lại.
Có chế ở bị lo, chẳng thể mình gọi nó chế.
Bây giờ có kia bé bảo chúa.
Bên, sẽ有mau. Cô hai cái chỉ một khát chán chơi của đi lo.
Mike, any idea what's going on?
I don't think Ting told his dad why we came here.
Ôi, cho thầy. Ô, này hai tuần xanh chuối, thổi ít lửa tiệp lò nó po.
do cờ tiết lộ họ chỉ ở trên cái căn trên cái thằng này bảo trả liệu
Ôi yo, nó xanh cho sự kiện nô tàu mà. Nên chỗ đấy nó chả nhớ nè à. Thổi ít lửa hành tông từ tiền nó kịp lò nó, ta chỉ do nó mua giọt gì là sao. Ở lỡ tôi cho ai nên tức khiến nó như cho nó yon chơi in ta cái này chỉ được bao nè.
We're sorry about that, Mr. Tao.
don't do this again, okay?
Yeah, we won't, Dad. Bye.
Alright, people. Epic fail.
Sorry, guys.
It turns out the whole story was not true. The story came about because of a misunderstanding. That being said, there's not much to do up here. We will be heading back to the city like Ting's dad demanded. Maybe there we can find a few local ghost stories to investigate.
Hey, Ting,
Him?
the guy is saying something.
Cho xuống.
Achi!
Đó là cái nào?
He wants us to go back.
Well, hell, let's go back.
Xã khai đá bỏ giờ.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Yon lấy sập bỏ đi con mà nên một lúc trống nó tổ san trấu ấy như một thay lúa dọn trấu ó.
What's up with that mountain? Why is he pointing? Yay, here we go. It'll be good. Mike, camera. Oh. Guys, we are heading to an even better spot. The old guy we talked to earlier gave us some real insider info. There's supposedly a haunted village on the other side of this mountain. Ting, what do we know about this place?
Not much, honestly.
I guess we'll have to find out.
Look all the way over there. I think that person's also heading to the village.
Maybe. If you like content like this and want to support us, please like this video. Hopefully we can get there before it's dark. The hope is to do a few interviews. If we're able to find someone who will let us sleep in their house tonight, we'll stay the night. If not, we'll have to head back in the dark. We're going to be cutting the cameras for now to save battery. We'll meet back up with you all once we get to the village.
Let's go home.
Dude, can you just sleep over so we could watch the whole thing?
I already knew that my parents would say no if I asked to sleep over. The only times they've said yes was,
If you ask my parents, they always say yes when you ask.
Mom, Dad, can you sleep over?
my dad knew we both planned this out. He looked over at me and gave me the no, not tonight glance.
Yeah, go ahead. Your two parents got their sleepover at Doma.
Uncle, can you sleep over?
You didn't buy any clothes.
That's okay. He can wear my clothes.
After some awkward back and forth, my parents finally gave in and they went home by themselves. We celebrated as we ran back up the stairs to Ching's room.
See? Easy.
Easy for you 'cause it's your house.
Come on, let's watch the next one.
Oh yeah, play it then.
Ting, how long until we get there? It's been 2 hours.
He just said to keep walking this road until we see the village. I think he said it was 6 kilometers away. I don't know how far that is. We could just keep following that person.
What person?
Then we have to stop. We've walked more than 6 kilometers.
What?
6 kilometers is only about 4 miles. If my estimation is correct, we've already walked around 7 miles.
No way.
Ting? Did that guy lie to us?
I don't know, Mike.
Why do you always not know anything? This whole trip was your idea. We get here and you have no plan. This is why I told John we shouldn't have let you join the group.
Mike, chill. Take a breather, man.
Which person have you been following?
She was in front of us, but you guys decided to stop. She's far gone now.
There's a baby crying.
That means the village is probably nearby. Let's go. I think we're getting closer. Let's go this way.
Ting, I think it'll be wiser if we stick to the path. We have no idea where we're going.
But the baby's clearly crying from over here.
Let's just follow.
Okay.
I don't hear it anymore. Do you guys?
No.
What about you, John?
Nope. Nothing.
What the heck?
I'm over this. Can we just backtrack and get out of here?
What about the village?
What about it? It clearly doesn't exist, Tane.
It is getting pretty dark. We should get out of the forest as soon as we can.
It's getting late. I should go shower.
What? It just got to the good part. We need to at least watch one more. Please.
Fine.
We are lost. Don't tell me to calm down.
Mike, I'm trying.
Mike, it's not really Ting's fault. I mean, arguably it is, but you saw it yourself. We ran into the forest in a straight line.
Yeah, that's the thing I don't get. We're going back exactly how we came in, but we're not getting back to the road. Therefore, it's Ting's fault.
Don't be like that, Mike. You agreed to go in as well.
My battery's at 5%, guys. I don't think we'll have a flashlight for much longer.
We're gonna have to stick here till morning. At this rate, if we just keep going, we're probably gonna get further from the road.
Mike, are you cold? You can have my sweater.
I'm good. I don't need it.
Ting, it's fine. Just leave him alone.
Yeah, I was just trying to help. Sorry about everything. I just wanted to do well for the team. To prove that I'm worthy. But nothing I do is ever right.
That's not true. Look, we're stuck in a forest, but it makes for good content. You don't need to prove yourself, Ting. You bring in so much.
You really mean it?
Yeah. Before you joined, Mike and I have never done anything like this before.
Thanks, John.
Can you two shut up and go to sleep?
Nope. Come on, Ting, let's go to sleep. You gotta navigate us out tomorrow.
Mike, shh. Be quiet.
What the hell's going on? Why did you wake me up?
Keep your voice down. There's someone running around.
Someone? Like a person? Then let's ask for help.
Shh. It's been running for 10 minutes. Do you really think it's a person? Here, check this out. Keep the camera steady, aim it that way, and look at the night vision screen. Hurry, it's coming back.
What was that? Why is there a girl running here?
Shh, don't scare it off.
Tane. She's missing her head.
This is what we came for, isn't it? She's running away. Let's follow. Give me the camera.
Wait, what about John?
Wake him up. Hurry up! Over here!
Tane, slow down. Why did she stop?
Mike. John. You guys hear that too, right?
Hear what?
Hey, why'd you pause it?
We can't play that out loud, Chang.
Why not?
My parents says you can't. There's that thing and the drum playing. The stuff we can't listen to at home.
I know what funeral music is, though. I didn't hear any.
Are you trying to gaslight me?
Oh my god, come on. Do you want to watch it or not?
I do still want to watch. Do you have headphones?
Yeah, you take this side. I'll take the right side.
Can you go back a few seconds and play it from there?
Sure. You ready? I'm gonna play it.
You guys hear that too, right?
Hear what? What are we supposed to hear?
Ting, where's the girl?
Please explain to me what's going on right now. Why are we running in the forest?
John, we're onto something big. Trust me. Ting captured an unexplainable phenomenon on the camera. Something we couldn't see with our bare eyes. While you were sleeping, Ting woke me up.
The frick?
And when we looked
Who's
through the
that?
screen, there was a headless squirrel running back and forth. We didn't see it with our bare eyes, but the camera captured it.
Holy shit.
Ting, let John pull the camera. Let him see it for himself. Ting! Where are you going?
We came here wanting a story. And now we're getting one.
What are you talking about, Ting?
Look at them.
Look at who, Ting?
All of them.
Should we get ready for sleep?
Yeah, we should.
The both of us would usually joke about who was scared. But for once, neither of us had anything to say.
You shower first?
That last part of the video where we left off kept replaying in my head. The part where Ting zoomed in and the figures appeared. I was afraid to close my eyes for shampooing. Because what if I opened my eyes and dozens of them were standing there, perfectly still with their heads down. Just like in the video.
So?
Yeah?
Just letting you know, you could use the towel that's in there.
Okay. Whatever. It was probably scripted anyways.
I closed my eyes and started shampooing my hair at last. I stopped for a second because I thought I heard something. By this point, there was shampoo running down my face. There was no way for me to open my eyes without it stinging. I quickly went back to washing my hair, just trying to hurry up so I could finish and get out. Let's just say that was the quickest shower in my whole entire life. After me, it was Ching's turn to shower. While he showered, I was back in his room. I scrolled through my phone, trying to keep myself busy. But my attention kept drifting to the computer screen across the room. The paused video was still open. I could see the same frozen frame where Ting's camera pointed to the dark. I felt a strange mix of dread, but also curiosity. I had the feeling that Ching wouldn't want to continue watching after he was done showering. I wondered to myself, what if this was the only chance to finish it? Before I knew it, my hand was already on the mouse.
Ting, it's not the time for you to play like that. There's nobody.
Let me see it. Who are these people, Ting?
Let me see it too.
The scene looks like a reenactment of a funeral. If you two haven't noticed already, use the camera to look around.
Holy crap.
Is this the village?
We've been in the village this whole time. We've crossed into a place we don't belong.
I don't think they've noticed us yet. Let's find a way out.
I think it's too late for that, Mike.
They're turning towards us.
They know we're here.
They all seem like puppets. They move too perfectly.
Look closer. They all turned except one. The one that's laying on the ground. That one doesn't feel like a puppet.
Wait, it moved.
Go! We need to get out of here! Take the camera, Ting. Keep your eyes on that one that's lying down. John and I will guide you. Don't turn your back on them. Let's go.
Stop! When we move, they also move.
Then what do we do?
Can we try slowly backing up?
We can try.
Alright, here we go.
They're moving slower. But they are still moving.
We'll keep going then.
Ting, is everything alright?
The body's not lying there anymore.
Ah, then where is it?
They got up, and it's heading our way faster than the others.
Shoot!
Run. We need to run. Right now! I dropped the camera!
Forget about it, Ting!
I need to go back and get it. Shit, I hope they wait for me. Fudge. Why did there have to be a pond here? Why did they stop? Do they know I'm here?
Có chầu chầu cuối lưu tiên câu chế tê Bao lưu hiểm của Eternal Man
What the heck? No. I'm so screwed. Where are they? No, not again. They're catching up.
Ting!
Mike?
We found the road! Hurry up!
Where are you guys?
Ting, we're over here.
Come on, Ting, over here!
I can't tell which direction you guys are in.
You're coming the right way! I can kinda see you, hurry up! Just straight forward!
Mike, John. Keep talking to me.
Welcome home, Ting.
Okay, Mom. I'm not more. Yeah. Which side of the bed do you want?
Watching the rest of that video left me with more questions than answers. I wasn't quite sure how I was supposed to fall asleep that night. Every time I closed my eyes, I'd see the video.
Ching, are you tired?
Yeah. Why?
Just checking. I was wondering, the videos that we watched, did they scare you?
Yeah, a little creepy.
It's kind of creeping me out. Can we get up and play game?
No. My mom says to go to sleep.
He's always the first one to fall asleep. Maybe I should have just went home.
Okay, Mike.
What?
Camera's rolling.
Hey guys.
I thought we turned off the computer.
You have Mike here.
I decided to get up and turn off the computer myself.
And then we got John over there with the audio equipment. Say hi, John. What's up?
Let's see, where's the power button?
What's up?
Oh, why is it playing on its own?
My goodness. So, Ting, what do you know about the village?
Why can't I close it? What's happening?
On the computer screen, there was something unsettlingly familiar.
Wait, it's this room. How's that possible?
It looked as if there was a security camera set up in the corner for a wide view of Ching's room. I could see myself in the live video, sitting at the computer desk. I heard bedsheets shifting. I looked back and Ching was still laying there, motionless, as if he was still asleep. The Ching that was on the screen was definitely not asleep though.
Welcome home, dude.
Yếm blia. Hùng yo hai rong xe bỏ tàu tu bỏ nào.
Một tiếng một sức kia. Một cái thứ mà.
Một tiếng lối rõ chia tí thia. Một tí thêm một nào một nông chung.
Ô, tí yo hát ban xa xuê ư chỉ tàu lô.
Nó là thiên đông qua tí tuổi của tiền ở mùi tây rồi trình trai nó ní.
Tổng đấy không nó nhưng chỉ tàu muốn từ một tàu tí lý là lấy. Yo ở một kiện chơi yo chỉ用mà là thiên đông qua snow.
Sẽ có bộ mùa mà yếm blia. Nhớ chỉ muốn nó là bộ chơi.
Ồ, có mà tây rồi cũng chỉ một lý nữa. Có học số xài đi chả có mà mua dầu được tông cho các mùa nữa.
Ồ, chỉ xài lý chào. Một chế lọ.
Cho toàn đó tí đã to cái hình mình chua lệ. Cho có một giờ hai giống tí nào hà. Toàn định nó. Tí mà mình trộn thêm một xíu nào.
À, yếm bia.
Ồ, chả có nó mà có.
Nó có dữ lệ ô cha có họ hay có bếp mấy tối im một tí mà.
Chọn tới trên mình trộn lắm á.